Welcome and thanks for coming. I'm Mark Burnett from Acceldata. I'm here with my colleague, Ben Schofield. I'm guessing that most of you aren't familiar with Acceldata, so we have a couple intro slides and then we'll get right into the product demo. Acceldata provides a data observability platform that simplifies the complexity of modern data systems. Think of this as extending monitoring with analytics to get a deeper understanding of your data processing and pipelines. And this allows organizations to improve things like processing performance and reliability, data quality, ease of use, price performance, and much more. Now, the need for data observability comes from the fact that data operations has become much more complex. Now, this is a well-known trend, has been happening for quite some time. The traditional world of analytics involved business applications feeding into data warehouses and data marts to support creating reports and dashboards for managers to make informed decisions. SLAs were often in hours, and information was often historical. Now, today, organizations continue to push to be more data-driven. And by that, I mean enabling everyone with insights to be more effective. Employees, customers, suppliers, partners, and so on. Each of these roles has specific challenges, leading to many new use cases, which drive new requirements. Data is distributed, new technologies are required for processing, and of course, there's a lot more data. And all of this gets combined in numerous ways as you bring in AI and ML and streaming. And as organizations onboard more use cases, things just get more and more complex. And again, this is probably familiar with you if you work inside a large enterprise. Now, all of this complexity leads to some significant challenges. It becomes harder to manage all of this complexity reliably, and yet the criticality to operations is much greater. Decisions are being made in real time, and when things break, it can be incredibly disruptive. The time, talent, and effort required to innovate and transform with all this complexity is high, and the cost can be quite high as well. For many, the complexity has reached a point where simple monitoring is not enough. You need a deeper understanding and automation from analytics, machine learning, and AI to tame complexity of data processing and pipelines. And this is data observability. Acceldata's data observability platform provides insight and automation to eliminate complexity, scale innovation with data, and optimize for cost. We have 3 products that deliver these benefits at different layers: Pulse for data processing, Torch for data reliability, and Flow for data pipelines. Pulse improves reliability of your data processing. For many, we eliminate SEV1 incidents by over 90%. For data consumers in enterprise, they require complete, accurate, timely data, and Torch continuously validates data both at rest and in motion. Flow, which is currently in beta, allows enterprises to trace the flow and cost of data across interconnected systems. And this enables you to align your data and business strategy to get the highest return on your investment. So next, let's show some of our key capabilities in the products. Let's start with Pulse for data processing. Right? Pulse helps you troubleshoot, predict, and prevent incidents. It helps you scale your data processing more easily, and it helps you optimize resources for lower cost. So we'll focus on Spark today, but we have technology to cover a variety of other platforms and technologies and so forth, such as Kafka, HBase, and many others. So we give you visibility into the health of your environment, generate alerts, and provide tools for root cause analysis. So for example, you're just a click away to find the log for an error. We let you look at past runs and dig into the details of what's changed. Or perhaps the overall system was under heavy load at the time this job runs. We correlate events to give you visibility into that, to determine if that was the cause. So these are just a few examples of how we can help you troubleshoot very, very quickly. Now, true reliability comes from predicting and preventing issues before they even occur. So we profile the performance of jobs over time and calculate a variance score. This identifies jobs that are running successfully today, but are at risk down the road. You can also set up auto actions to perform self-tuning to maintain your SLAs automatically. Now, many organizations struggle with the time, effort, even the ability to scale new solutions. And we help with that by providing recommendations automatically out of the box to tune your configuration for better performance. We go further with the simulator. So for example, you can see how long your job will run if you're looking to minimize resources. You can see what configuration is required if you're looking to hit a specific SLA, say under 4 minutes. You can see the limits of how fast your job could run, and you can see where adding additional resources may not improve performance and would just be a waste. We also help you identify bottlenecks within your job. So we automatically tag inefficiencies, such as tasks with high overhead. We help you spot whether your code is running parallelized or distributed across the cluster, as it is in this case. And we can even help you understand what parts of your job take longer to run than other parts. These and other insights help you optimize your code, your data distribution, and other aspects to get greater performance and scale. So let's cover a couple other options for improving efficiency. So we look across all of your processing jobs and highlight recommendations for those jobs that could benefit from further optimization. We also provide insight into utilization. So we can look at how your cluster is being utilized, how your database is being utilized, or even the file system. And these utilization insights help you optimize resources, saving money. So we've showed a number of examples around Spark. And again, just like to highlight, we have similar capabilities for many other technologies. So we covered at a high level how Pulse helps you prevent incidents, tune for scale, and improve efficiency for lower costs. Now, Torch provides comprehensive data quality monitoring. It also monitors data drift to help you maintain the accuracy of your analytic models, and Torch can identify redundant data to help you improve usability and lower your infrastructure costs. So the first step is to connect to your data sources. And from there, Torch can automatically scan, profile, and tag your data to make that visible for you and others in a catalog to discover, search, and explore. Now, next, you may want to add some data quality rules. We have a number of different types of rules to choose from, including custom pattern matching. However, organizations often struggle with the number of columns they need to validate across their enterprise, which leads to a lot of data not being used or quality or both. So to help with that, we provide data quality rule recommendations automatically out of the box, which you can apply with just a few clicks. This saves enormous amounts of time, provides broader coverage, and a lot better accuracy overall. Now we see more and more data movement as use cases leverage external data, streaming, IoT, and hybrid cloud architectures. So we also provide data reconciliation rules to ensure that data arrives from point A to point B, complete and accurate. Now, we also help with data orchestration. So this can be, for example, combining multiple rules into a single policy, chaining multiple policies together, or even integrating with external workflows. Now, of course, data is dynamic and the structure of data can change unexpectedly. We can monitor your schema drift to reduce the risk to downstream processes. Now, we give you a single pane of glass to manage all of this in one place. We provide the ability to track quality over time, drill into metrics, and optionally see data violations either as is or in a masked format. As the world changes, data collected can drift in terms of content, which can affect the accuracy of your models. This creates both risk and a maintenance issue. We can monitor for data drift, allowing you to reserve your best and brightest time on innovating with data instead of looking to maintain their existing models. Now, whether you're looking for data or you're managing data, large environments can be cumbersome and expensive. So we use machine learning to identify similar data and related data, which makes it easier to find. And it also identifies redundancy that can be eliminated to make the environment easier to use and less costly. So that's a quick rundown of how Torch provides comprehensive data quality and reliability, automation to scale across large environments, and insights to optimize your data management. Flow provides observability into your data pipelines. It helps you manage them end to end. It helps you design to cost with price performance trade-offs for different technologies, and also helps you quantify costs at a business level to track and forecast and align your IT and business strategy. Now that you've seen our product, I'd like to share a couple of examples of results that our customers have achieved. So at GE, we reduced the cost of their Hive environment by 40%. And overall, they're saving $45 million annually on their audit costs. True Digital is one of Thailand's largest telcos, and we help them double the performance of their existing infrastructure. PhonePe, a Walmart company, provides a phone-based payment app. 60% of their experienced engineers' time was being spent firefighting. Since using Acceldata, they've not had a Sev1 issue for over 12 months and counting, while also scaling by 13x. They now process over 400 million transactions a month. So to recap, Acceldata's data observability platform eliminates complexity by providing insight and automation at all layers to improve reliability, scale innovation with data, and improve your ROI.